Welcome back to my channel. Ever feel like your keyboard letters are just too small to see clearly? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your keyboard bigger and easier to use, and I'll be demonstrating on two different keyboard types, just in case your layout looks a bit different. So stick around, because by the end, typing's about to get a whole lot easier. If your layout looks like this, click on the three dot at the top right corner of your keyboard. Scroll down and click on Resize. Now you can set the size of your keyboard to your preference. Click OK when you are done. Before the second example, kindly like and subscribe to see more amazing videos like this. For the second example, if your keyboard looks like this, click on the four dots at the top left-hand side of your keyboard. Click on Resize. Now you can set the size of your keyboard to your preference. Click OK when you are done. And that's it. Now your keyboard's bigger, clearer, and way easier to type on. If the first method didn't match your keyboard, I hope the second one did. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what tutorial you'd love to see next. See you in the next one.